Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you live in or around the Mojave Desert, you already know the heat is absolutely no joke. It's brutal. But have you ever actually stopped to think about what it's doing to your car? Today, we're going to explore the extreme and honestly kind of shocking effects of the Las Vegas climate on vehicles. We'll look at the exact science of how the environment breaks down automotive materials, and more importantly, we're going to give you the exact roadmap on how to stop it dead in its tracks. 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let that sink in for a second. If you park your car under that blazing Las Vegas sun during the summer, cabin temperatures can easily, and I mean easily, exceed this incredibly dangerous threshold. You're not just parking your car, you're essentially baking a massive financial investment in a literal oven every single day. Crazy, right?
The source material sums up this hostile environment perfectly with just 5 simple words: sandpaper winds and solar ovens. I know, it sounds straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's completely accurate. The environment out there isn't just passively hot. No, it is actively trying to sandblast your paint and crack your dashboard. It's a constant scorching battle for the survival of your vehicle.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the desert climate threat. Then, baking inside the cabin. Third, the exterior battlefield. Next, traditional wash versus detailing. And finally, the mobile detailing advantage. Let's get to it.
Starting with Section 1, the desert climate threat, a hostile environment.
So, we aren't just dealing with the sun here. We're looking at a pretty lethal combination. We've got intense ultraviolet radiation, extreme dry heat, highly abrasive airborne silica dust, and to top it all off, water with a really high mineral content. This unique cocktail takes a rapid, accelerating toll on pretty much every single material your car is made of.
Moving on to Section 2, baking inside the cabin, the unseen damage.
So what does all that trapped heat actually do to your interior? Well, it literally bakes the dashboard. I mean, you could almost bake cookies on it. It causes rigid plastic and vinyl to fade, become super brittle, and eventually just crack. And those luxury leather seats? The arid climate aggressively drains the natural oils right out of the hide. Without proper hydration, that leather gets hopelessly stiff and will permanently tear right along the seat bolsters. It's visceral, permanent damage happening right before your eyes.
But don't worry, there's a highly specialized scientific solution professional detailers use to fight back. It's called hot water extraction. Now, this isn't just wiping down a seat with a rag. We're talking about a deep cleaning process that physically pulls years, yes, years, of embedded dirt, sweat, and spilled liquids right out of your upholstery. It physically reverses the environmental assault, leaving the fabric not just cleaner, but visibly brighter and actually structurally renewed.
Let's break down how this builds into an actual professional workflow, because listen, a simple vacuum absolutely cannot achieve these results. First up, professionals agitate all that embedded grime using compressed air and boar hair brushes. Step 2, they hit those porous surfaces with high-pressure steam. This kills bacteria and neutralizes odors right at the source. And finally, Step 3, they completely remove that deep, stubborn grime using the hot water extraction we just talked about. It is a meticulous, multi-step process, for sure.
But here's the thing. True interior restoration doesn't just stop at cleaning. It's heavily focused on protection. Professional-grade leather conditioners are applied to replenish all that vital moisture lost to the dry desert air. Then, specialized UV inhibitors go on to the hard plastics. This creates what's called a sacrificial barrier against the sun. It actively repels dust and keeps that rich, factory matte finish. You know, the kind that prevents that blinding, unwanted dashboard glare while you're trying to drive.
Now for Section 3, the exterior battlefield, protecting the paint. Out on the exterior, we are dealing with incredibly stubborn contaminants. Think about abrasive silica dust fiercely bonding to your clear coat. Then combine that with bird droppings, hard water spots, and sticky road tar. When this stuff settles on your car, that persistent Las Vegas sun acts exactly like a giant magnifying glass, just baking them right into the surface. Honestly, it is an absolute nightmare for your paint.
And this brilliantly illustrates the need for the ultimate defense against this exterior onslaught, the ceramic coating. Now, to be clear, this is not that cheap wax you grab off the shelf at the local auto parts store. No way. This is a semi-permanent hydrophobic barrier. It actively absorbs those harmful UV rays, heavily resists chemical damage from hard water, and locks in this deep, gorgeous showroom gloss. It's basically a specialized suit of armor for your clear coat.
Moving to Section 4, traditional wash versus detailing, the true cost.
Let's compare these two approaches directly, shall we? On one side, you have the traditional automated tunnel wash. You know the one. You're exposing your car to highly alkaline chemicals, heavy friction, and shared spinning brushes that are literally dragging abrasive dirt from 100 other cars right across your clear coat. It causes permanent swirl marks and micro scratches. Contrast that with professional detailing on the other side. Safe decontamination, clay bar treatments, and meticulous paint correction. One causes permanent degradation, while the other provides chemical-safe structural preservation. Big difference, right?
In our final section, Section 5, the mobile detailing advantage, time and convenience.
Okay, let's walk through this quick cost-benefit analysis. When you actually compare the DIY driveway wash to professional mobile detailing, the winner is crystal clear. Think about the time spent. Hours of exhausting, back-breaking labor out there under the harsh desert sun, plus the massive equipment and chemical costs you have to shoulder yourself. For a busy professional, doing it yourself actually costs you way more in time and stress. Professional detailing, on the other hand, drastically improves your long-term resale value without you having to lift a single finger.
And what makes this incredibly seamless is the self-sufficient technology these mobile teams bring right to your doorstep. We're talking fully equipped mobile units arriving at your home or office with their own spot-free deionized water filtration systems and their own independent power generators, the whole shebang. You, as the vehicle owner, don't even need to provide water or electricity. They literally transform your parking lot into a high-end detailing bay.
So what's the actual action plan here? Well, the sources give us a very precise recommendation. Every 3 to 4 months. If your vehicle is parked outside or used daily in this harsh climate, you really need to schedule a deep interior and exterior detail on this timeline. This ensures that the abrasive dust is managed and those absolutely crucial UV protective coatings remain highly active. Frequent, consistent care is simply non-negotiable out in the desert.
Which leaves us with one final, pretty provocative question to consider today. Are you letting the desert sandblast your hard-earned financial investment, or are you ready to restore its pristine showroom shine? The Mojave climate definitely isn't going to get any gentler, so the choice of how you protect your vehicle is entirely in your hands. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I really hope you walk away feeling empowered to protect your ride.